Hey. So, I have another box for us today. We're going to do an unboxing for the next 126 days. Why? Because life is better by the pool and doing diamond art. So, as I buy them, I'm going to unbox them and I'm going to post a video a day for the next 126 days or however many is in my stash. I said stock on an earlier video, but I definitely meant stash. My stash is so large and I am large and proud. Large and in charge. So, this is from Jaded Gem Shop. It is Wisteria. And it is 60 by 60 with 2 ABs. Maybe there's a glitter. I can't remember. It is hand rendered. So it's going to be less pixelated and clearer, less confetti heavy. That's my understanding. I don't have the stickers for this one, but it comes with stickers just like all the others that you can put on your containers. It's because I already unboxed it. This one is a round because I enjoy rounds. And I was a little nervous when I first bought some canvases from Jade because they look like they were more confetti heavy than what I'm used to, but I've done more now and I'm not as intimidated by it, but initially I was. So, but I do like rounds. Here she comes, Wisteria. Do you see her? I think I have a thing for big eyes, even though mine look bitty little. Anyhow, I think she has beautiful eyes. And look at her. She's in the water. And I could have gotten her cropped differently so that you could see. This is not the full, but you need to go to Jaded Gem Shop's website and check her out. The different options, different sizes, and you can get her cropped. That's the coolest thing about Jade's shop is you can get things created customly, which is like custom drills, custom canvas. You can get the grid lines or no grid lines, and this one does not have the grid lines. And the rendering is lovely. Let's see if you can see it. I can't see because I have old eyes, but of course it is. And when I look at it, I did just come back from the eye doctor and they have to get something fixed in my lenses. As you notice, I have to put them down on my nose to see better. Plus I'm on the computer all the time and I have to pull the glasses out. Yes, the rendering is great. Fabulous. And I am looking forward to doing this one as well. So there she is by Cheruki, Wisteria. And I hope you all like her and can see her and you go buy yourself one. Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next one. And if you like this video on your way out, please click thumbs up and subscribe, and you'll be notified when I put up another video. Bye.